Well, despite a negative lead from Wall Street and talk of the US imposing more tariffs on China before the end of the year if talks aren't successful, we have seen the Australian share market reversing earlier losses to be up by 0.5%. It helps that we are seeing US futures trading up during the Asian session. Having a look at the best performing sectors, and we are seeing the healthcare sector doing well, as well as the consumer staples sector. Meanwhile, the worst performing sectors are the utilities sector, as well as the material sector. Having a look at some company news, and unfortunately we have seen some more bad news out of the retail space. We've seen Lovisa coming out to say that year to date it's seen its comparative sales turn negative, down by 0.9%. Stocks are falling quite heavily. The shares are down by 19%. We've also seen a weak trading update coming through from Boral for the first quarter, saying that wet weather in the US as well as in Australia has impacted on its business. Still, it's kept most of its forecasts for the full year the same, saying that it expects to make up for the weak first quarter and the results should be skewed to the second half. Still, we are seeing Boral shares down by around about 5%. And ResApp, one of the worst performers on the market today, the stock down a massive 52% after coming back online after its voluntary suspension. The company has released the preliminary results from its SmartCough C2 test, and although the SmartCough C2 results weren't as bad or disastrous as the original SmartCough results, the market doesn't seem to be backing this company today. Finally, corporate travel still in a trading halt after those media reports over the weekend on the VGS short selling report on the stock. The company is expected to come back online tomorrow or when an announcement is made. So great to see the Australian market reversing those earlier losses with some gains in the afternoon, and it looks like those gains are only getting stronger.